Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this cinnamon bear keychain from an air dry clay I made at home known as cold porcelain. I first begin by making a snake from a tan ball of clay and then flattening it out using my rolling pin. I then roll it into a circle. For the bun's texture I use a clay brush or whatever this thing is called. To complete the bun I add various shades of orange and brown to get the look of the cinnamon bun. I use my clay cutter and cut off a bit of the cinnamon bun to make it look like it's bitten into. I mix glue with a little brown clay and brown paint for the chocolate sauce. I then apply it using a toothpick. For the body of the bear, I take a round ball of brown clay and roll it out on the top slightly to give it some shape. For the hands and legs, I roll out a snake from the clay and cut equal portions. I then make indents into the body of the bear before gluing them in place. I then stick a round ball for the head of the bear. I make the ears by taking a small ball of clay, flattening it out a little and cutting it in half. For the mouth, I take a small piece of light brown clay and stick it onto the face. For the eyes and nose, I roll out some black clay and cut 3 small balls. Like the hands and legs, I make indents into the clay before sticking them on. I also stick a small piece of reddish pink clay for the tongue. I add cheeks by cutting off 2 circles from a light brown clay. For the fork, I roll out a grey piece of clay and cut the shape of the fork out. I finally bend it and make slits for the tines of the fork. Finally, I add PVA glue mixed with white acrylic paint and corn flour for the cream on the bun. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.